Hello everyone, today I will explain 5 technical questions from the CCNA to you. First, let's look at the first question. The first question states, in an enterprise network, what is the role of an access point in an enterprise network? Then the first option A states, integrate with CCNP to prevent DDoS attacks. Well, the access point has nothing to do with DDoS attacks, so this is incorrect. Then the second option says it acts as the first line of defense for the enterprise network, but it is not a firewall or anything like that. It doesn't have such a function, so this is incorrect. Then option C is to make the wireless access point. Connect the wireless access point to the wired network, so this option is correct. Correct. Then the fourth option is incorrect. It says it supports secure user login to the device. This option is not entirely correct. It can also provide authentication, for example. Here is an AP. It connects to this. Access switch. For example, this AP can be directly connected to distribution layer. Then below, connect A. Access switch. The signal emitted by this AP is like this. And this access switch, it directly connects to a wired host on the wired side. And over here, it might be a mobile phone. The mobile phone connects to this signal. The mobile terminal connects to the signal. And after connecting, the data will definitely reach here and then be sent up. Then the wired side also sends data out from here. So the correct answer is to choose C. Let's take a look. Correct. All right, second question. Second question, it says the implementation personnel. The implementation personnel are preparing to do virtualization. For virtualization, in order to create virtual machines on the host and achieve communication between the hardware and the virtual machines, what do we need to do? So what do we need to do? We need to manage the hypervisor. What do we need? We don't need a router. We don't need a switch. We don't need to make a direct cable connection. We just need to virtualize the hypervisor. That means we only need to use the hypervisor. So choose B. The correct answer is B. All right, the third question, again about Wi-Fi. It mentions Cisco's wireless network about the issue of Wi-Fi channel overlap. What are they? Which of the following options is correct? Then Cisco's wireless network, it addresses client load and background noise. And it can analyze channels. This is correct. Option A states that it allows the administrator to allocate channels based on each device. Allocating channels for each interface is incorrect. Then isolating devices from different manufacturers onto different channels is not a feature Cisco has. So this is also incorrect. The fourth option states that it automatically, at adjacent access points, automatically switches between 2.4G and 5G, which is not a feature, so it's incorrect. The correct answer to this question is option C. Okay, let's look at question 4. Question 4 states that in the network, when using IPv4 for a new subnet, IP uses IPv4 fingerprinting. In the case of a new subnet, which of the following situations is more suitable? First, in the network, there are multiple listeners, and you want to control the broadcast. IPv4 addressing has nothing to do with controlling broadcasts. So option A is incorrect. Option B is the internet service provider. It provides to announce this subnet to the public network. So this is also about announcing to the internet, which is also incorrect. The third option says the unique address. The space for unique addresses is limited, and the traffic of the new subnet is transmitted locally within the organization. So this option is correct. For option C, the subnet traffic, it says that the subnet traffic, how must this subnet traffic be handled? It must go through a site-to-site VPN. Through the VPN, between sites transmitted to external organizations, which is definitely incorrect. So the correct answer to this question is C. Let's look at the correct answer, which is option C. All right, the fifth question is another wireless question, 802.11. Then we see that this 802.11 is all about wireless questions. Specifically, after the client sends a probe request, to which type of frame in the 802.11 protocol does the probe response belong? That type definitely belongs to management frames. This is a management frame, so this is correct. The data frame is incorrect, and the control frame is also incorrect. Then this. The action frame is also wrong. So for this question, choose B. It's very simple. Alright, if anyone wants to learn Cisco technology or obtain Cisco question banks, please send me a private message or leave a comment under my video, and we can have a technical exchange.